Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. So today I wanted to talk to you about YouTube notification, or the lack thereof. So if you have been on YouTube for any space of time, any length of time, I am 100% sure you have either been personally victimized by the notification system, i.e. you have clicked notification bells yet you have not received notifications, or if like myself you are a creator, you will have had subscribers telling you, despite hitting the notification bell, they are not being notified when you upload videos. So this has been annoying me personally for some while now. It is very frustrating as a small channel, trying to get your content seen, trying to get your videos out there, trying to be found and discovered by new potential subscribers on YouTube. It is very hard, and the algorithm does not favour smaller, newer channels. This we pretty much know. However, you do expect that those people who have found you and subscribed to your channel and then clicked the notifications bell, who in my opinion are like your most hardcore subscribers, your most dedicated subscribers, they've literally pressed a button saying, YouTube, I want to know every time this person uploads. Those hardcore subscribers, the top 5% that subscribe to you, who want to see every single video, are now very regularly telling me that they are not being notified when I upload videos, despite the fact they want to, despite the fact they have chosen to, despite the fact that they've hit the notification bell. So I posted about this on my Instagram and also on my Twitter recently, and I chatted to quite a few of you. Lots of you replied to me on Instagram and on Twitter telling me, yep, I don't receive your notifications. That's true. I clicked your notification bell. I'm not getting any of your notifications. I didn't realise you'd uploaded. I haven't thought you've been uploading for weeks. So just to set the record straight, I upload every single Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. I've never missed an upload yet. And unlikely that I will, and if I do, I will notify you. There will be a post somewhere telling you why I'm not uploading, but otherwise I will upload every Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday for the foreseeable future. So you can obviously always come to my channel on those days knowing that I will have uploaded, but that's not really the point, and you shouldn't have to do that. And lots of people follow many channels. You can't always be expected to remember what days everybody uploads on. So in comes the notification system. It's there to alert you, to say, hi, this person you follow has uploaded a video. Recently, a couple of months ago, however, YouTube introduced a drop down from the notification bell. I had no idea about this until this week, and I imagine most of you didn't have any idea about this either. So now, instead of just clicking the notification bell and then being notified when your faves upload, so now when you click on the notification bell, you are actually given options. Not just you want the notifications, as you might imagine as you've hit the notification bell. There is now 3 options: no notifications, all notification, or personalized notifications. And that third option is the new option. And that is the default option that YouTube will select for you. So if you just hit the notification bell, or if you've previously hit the notification bell, all of your settings will have reset to the personalized notifications option and not the all notifications option you probably think you selected. Because frankly, what's the point in a personalized notifications? Surely you either want to be notified or you don't, otherwise you can kind of just do it manually, you would think. So the personalized notifications option, what this means is that YouTube, with its algorithms that always work 100% effectively, will decide for you what you want to be notified about. So although it's called a personalized notifications option, you don't get to personalize it yourself. YouTube personalizes it for you, which I'm not sure if that counts as personalization. So what they do is they decide whether you're going to get notified based on what you've previously watched, the watch time, the videos that they think you enjoy the most, maybe the ones you've interacted with the most, the ones you've watched the longest. It decides based on the number of views that video is getting, how popular that video is. So again, it's another algorithm that does not favour smaller, newer channels. So if you have that personalized notifications option selected, YouTube is only going to notify you if it thinks you're specifically interested in that particular upload. It is not going to notify you for every video on the channels that you have hit the bell for. So now, if you do in fact want to be notified of every time your favorites upload, if you want a notification every time a new video is uploaded from one of your favorites, you need to click the notification bell, and then you need to make sure that you have selected all and not the default personalized notification. Have a little check. If you scroll down on this video and you see my subscribe button, if you're subscribed, it will say subscribed, and either notification bell will be like highlighted that you've clicked it, or it will be like faded out that you haven't. If you aren't subscribed, then you can just do a little test, click on subscribe. If you don't like me, you can always unsubscribe later. Just try it out for now. Click on the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and then change it to all. If you want to be notified every time I upload, if you want to be notified anytime anybody, any of the channels you follow uploads, you need to make sure your notifications bell is not only on, but set to all notifications. And that should, in theory, resolve this very annoying issue for us all. So I really hope this video is helpful. I really hope if you are a creator, it might resolve some of the frustrations and the issues for you. It is a very weary, trying battle to get discovered here on YouTube, and these things are extremely frustrating when people who literally want to be notified that you've uploaded are not being. It's a very deflating, frustrating thing. Like, you really feel like everything is against you at times here. I've also been hearing, lots of my subs have been telling me that they've discovered themselves to have been unsubscribed from my channel despite not unsubscribing. So again, I know that YouTube sometimes like unsubscribes people that they think are bots and things like that. But these people are definitely not bots, they're subscribers and have been for a long time. So again, it's worth checking that you actually are still subscribed to the channels that you think you subscribe to and that you want to be subscribed to, so that you can resubscribe and re-hit the notifications bell if you are not being notified and you want to be. So there you have it. I hope you found this helpful. I would love to see you in a future video. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.